Hi, in this video, you will learn how to set up and analyze events and goals in Plerdy. Tracking events can help you better understand the effectiveness of your website and online marketing campaigns. With event tracking, you will know where the purchase or really any other data point originated from, which helps determine the quality of the source. With Plerdy, you can set up events in a couple of minutes completely by yourself. To do so, open your account, go to Conversions, set up goals, events. Here on the right, you will see a detailed step-by-step instruction with screenshots so you won't be lost for sure. The first thing we will have to do is open our website, find a button or an element which we want to track. I will take this one as an example. Right-click on it and select Inspect. Look for a button class or ID. Then, when we have the class or ID, copy it and go back to your Plerdy account. Here, create a new conversion, give it a name, and paste here the class or ID in the required format. You can also put a tick here to send this event to your Google Analytics account. And that's it. However, the simplicity of the setup process in Plerdy is not the only advantage of it. When setting up the conversions directly via Google Analytics or via Google Tag Manager, they will start tracking the conversions only after it was created. So you won't be able to see if there were any conversions like this achieved previously. With Plerdy, you will be able to see the retrospective and check the conversions from the previous periods. Of course, starting from the moment you have added Plerdy tracking code to your website. Also, if we compare the setup process in Google Analytics or Google Tag Manager with Plerdy, it is much easier in Plerdy. With Google Analytics, you will need a webmaster's help who will add custom on-click code snippets to specific A tags or buttons on your website. With Google Tag Manager, you don't need to add anything to the code. However, you'll have to create a container tag trigger in Google Tag Manager and send this information to Google Analytics. This is more time-consuming and quite a difficult task for junior specialists. After the successful setup process in Plerdy, you'd like to analyze the events you created. To do so, open the next page, Goals and Events. First, select the time period. Let's take our previous months as an example. You'll see a chart that visualizes the events. Each of them has a separate color, and you can immediately spot which events happen more often and if there were any spikes or drops. Below, you will see a table with a list of pages of your website and the number of events. This also gives you an instant understanding of what pages are more popular, engaging, and effective. The colors in the table also help you instantly spot which event and on which page is achieved most often. The scale goes from green to red. If you see that some pages receive zero events, this is a sign to go and check what is happening there and why users are not achieving the goals you're expecting them to achieve. Directly from here, you can open the heatmap for the page and dive deeper into analyzing specific website pages. Speaking of conversions in Plerdy, you can also set up a conversion funnel. To learn more about it, proceed to the next video.